Hey everybody, welcome to Raphael Math Room. Today we'll solve this Math Olympiad simultaneous algebraic exponential equation. You know, x plus y equal 100, x, y equal 100. Then what's the value of x and y? So at first we can take x plus y equal 100 as a equation number 1. So from there we can get the value of x is equal to 100 divided by 1. So we can take this equation as number 3. So now from the equation number 2 we can write x times y equal 100. So here we just replace the value of y, which is 100 minus x is equal to 100, right? So now here we'll time this and this, then we'll get 100x minus x square is equal to 100. So now we write minus x square plus 100 x minus, this will be left to right side, 100 is equal to 0. Now we will divide it both sides with minus 1. Then we will get the perfect quadratic equation from this exponential. Now minus minus will be cancelled out and we get the equation like x square minus 100x plus 100 equal to 0. Guys, this is a quadratic equation. So if we write x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and compare this, then we'll get the value of a equal 1, the value of b is equal to minus 100, and the value of c will be 100. So now we have to just replace this a, b and c's value into the quadratic formula exponential, which is we can write x equal minus b root over b square minus 4 ac plus minus minus b divided by 2a. So from here just we replace the value of abc into this exponential formula, then we'll get the exponential equation look like, right? Minus 100 plus minus root over 100 minus 100 square minus 4 times 1 times 100 divided by 2 times 1. So after simplifying the calculation, we'll skip some lines and take the equation here like 100 plus minus root over 100 is minus 96 divided by 2. We skip here some lines. Hope you guys understand the calculation, because it's a very basic calculation. If we watch them, then the length of video will be more, so we just skip. Hope you will answer. Now we'll write this 100 plus minus root over 100 times root over 96 divided by 2, then it will be 100 plus minus 10 times root over 16 times 6 divided by 2. So now the exponential will be 10 times root over 16 times x divided by 2. Now we can write 100 plus minus 10 times 4 because root over 16 is equal to 4. This times root over 6 divided by 2. So after that I can write 100 plus minus 40 root of times root over 6 divided by 2. Now we just simplify this like 100 divided by 2 plus minus 40 root over 6 divided by 2. Then this and this will be cancelled out by 50 and 40 will be cancelled by 2, 20. Then we'll get the simplified value of x is 50 plus minus 20 root over 6. So guys, we get our first equation value. The x1 is equal to 50 plus 20 root over 16, or the value of x2 is equal to 50 minus 20 root over 6. So guys, this is our solution. Hope you are guys enjoying this solution classes of this mathematical solution of simultaneous algebraic math Olympiad. Hope you are guys enjoy. Please do subs and like. This is the full solution of this. Hope you are guys enjoying. So this is the main. So thank you.